How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Now, for your information, guys, this is not possible on Instagram, so you have to download an application called. So let's go to your app store and search for auto scroll. When you search for auto scroll, you're going to be seeing this top option, guys. If you have the will to pay, you can use any of these applications. As you can see, this one is paid, so you can go ahead and pay for this. So this one is paid, but the one I use for free is this one called auto scroll tap and touch. So as you can see, guys, I've already installed the app. So if it's not installed, just go ahead and install. When you install, go ahead and open the app. When you open the application, go ahead and configure it. So guys, as you can see, this is not actually, you can go ahead and configure it. So I'm going to configure it this. So I have just 8 swipes remaining. So if you want more swipes, you can go ahead and buy and purchase this. So go ahead. So just go ahead and click on start. When you click on start, go ahead and quickly scroll back to your Instagram. So when you scroll back to your Instagram, as you can see, guys, at the end of this video, it's going to automatically scroll. As you can see, guys, whenever you enter your scroll, at the end of the video, it's going to automatically scroll for you. As you can see, guys, once the video reaches the end, it's going to automatically scroll to the next one. So as you can see, guys, so you're going to be having auto scroll on your Snapchat. Mind you, guys, this is not a free application. You can go ahead, you have to subscribe to enjoy it fully. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.